a lunge matrix. This is one of my favorite exercises because it works on ankle stability, foot stability, knee stability, hip mobility, right? It works all of a lower body. So this is especially great for backpackers, hikers, anglers, anybody who walks, all right? So this is great for everybody. Everybody can benefit from this. So what is a lunge matrix? So a matrix consists of 3 different movements combined into one. All right, so we're going to go into a forward lunge, lateral lunge, and then a drop step. Okay, so here's what it looks like. So you're going to lunge forward, and then you're going to come back to home base. You're going to do a lateral lunge, come back to home base. Then you're going to drop step. So this one, you're going to open up like a door. It's not step back. It's not a reverse lunge. It's open up like a door, and then sit down, and then you come back. Okay, so that is the lunge matrix. Okay, so again, we're going to go forward, back, side, and back. Open up like a door, and then come back. All right, with this, you can add several different layers to it. You can go into a lunge in balance, right? So this is where if you're having balance issues or you want to work on your foot stability and ankle mobility, coming back to a balanced position will help that, all right? Then you go out to the side, balance, drop step, balance, right? So it's one of my favorite exercises. You can add weights to it. You can hold a weight underneath your chin, out to the side, whatever, but that is the lunge matrix. All right, so give it a try. I highly recommend it, that everybody do it. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If this helped you in any way, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow along for the journey. Other than that, have a wonderful day, and don't forget to be strong, work hard, and live your adventure. See ya.